Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Schedule K-1. This form is crucial for reporting your share of income, losses, and dividends from various pass-through entities like partnerships or S-corporations. Understanding your K-1 ensures you accurately reflect your financial activity on your personal tax return, avoiding potential discrepancies. We will cover the easy method to integrate this information into your annual tax filing process. Before you begin filing, it is essential to prepare your documents. First, gather every Schedule K-1 form you have received. Next, double-check that your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number is accurately listed on each form. Finally, collect any additional supporting documents that pertain to your K-1 income or potential deductions. This thorough preparation will streamline the entire filing process for you. Now, let's focus on entering your K-1 data onto your Form 1040. Carefully transfer the figures from your Schedule K-1 to the appropriate lines on your personal tax return. It is vital to pay close attention to boxes 1 through 20, as these contain the most critical financial information. Utilizing IRS instructions or reliable tax software will help ensure every figure is placed correctly, preventing errors. Understanding common K-1 reporting scenarios is key. For instance, ordinary business income found in Box 1 is typically reported on Schedule E, Part 2. Capital gains or losses, usually found in Box 8, are generally transferred to Schedule D. Remember to correctly apply passive activity loss limitations, which can significantly impact your taxable income. Always consult the specific instructions for each box to ensure accurate reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.